that I've done is I've put this block of wood in place there, and then a little bit further up the ramp I have this other block of wood, and what that does, that gives me a space, well, that gives me spacing to support the railing like this. So the railing is supported at that end, and that is the mid beam, and we go all the way to the end beam, and we have a problem. The 2x4 is 2 inches too short. I've just measured that, and what the problem is that I was going by lengths of wood last time rather than cutting it, and the beam underneath must have been 8'2" or something like that. So that means I'm going to have to cut this piece of 2x4 and have more than one section here. So that's going to be a little bit interesting. I'll see if I've got some ready cut 2x4. So happened I have a piece of ready cut 2x4, so I moved the support. So this is going to be a piece of 4-foot railing right there, and my next task will be to drill it and screw it. And I'd love to show you a video of me drilling and screwing it, but as I'm doing this handheld with my holding the camera, I can't right now. I had to run to the hardware shop this morning because I was out of long screws. So I bought myself some screws, and for some strange reason they're a bright green colour. And these are Torx screws, and they come with a very handy little Torx bit. So I'll be able to put those in, and I'll start doing that. Having screwed both ends of this into place, I can move the one support up to this post or to this post, whichever. The one problem with doing this in multiple sections like that, short sections, is I use 2 extra screws per section. Because normally I would have just 2 screws instead of 4. And I'm already short of screws. I went and bought more, but I think I'm going to run out by the time I get near the end of the tow rail. Well, I've put this post in here and got that support in there, and there's another problem. But this is not because the thing is short. It is because this post is very warped. It has quite a pronounced curve to it. Oh dear. So I'm going to have to do yet another 4-foot section. And I'm going to have to cut this piece of wood. Not what I intended, but there we go. Moved the 8-foot piece up a little bit to go to the very top of the ramp, and I found I have to cut about 4 inches off right there. After that I have to cut a piece to fit between these two, and I'll do that in a jiffy.